The 2025 Nissan Kicks underwent the IIHS updated moderate overlap front crash test, which simulates a frontal collision where 40% of the vehicle's front strikes a barrier at 40 miles per hour. This updated test includes a rear seat dummy to assess protection for back seat passengers, reflecting real-world crash scenarios more accurately. Test details. Tested vehicle, 2025 Nissan Kicks SR 4-door 4WD. Overall evaluation, poor. Structure and safety cage, good. Driver injury measures. Head and neck, good. Chest, good. Thigh and hip, good. Leg and foot, good. Driver restraints and dummy kinematics, good. Rear passenger injury measures. Head and neck, marginal. Chest, acceptable. Thigh, good. Rear passenger restraints and dummy kinematics, poor. These results indicate that while the 2025 Nissan Kicks provides strong protection for the driver in moderate overlap frontal crashes, it falls short in safeguarding rear seat passengers. The rear passenger dummy's head came close to contacting the front seat back, increasing the risk of head injuries. Additionally, the shoulder belt moved too far upward toward the dummy's neck, compromising the effectiveness of the rear restraint system. The lap belt also shifted from the ideal position on the pelvis onto the abdomen, heightening the risk of abdominal injuries. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.